come into the glove box to replace the pollen filter. Pop it down. There's this little tab here and one on this side. You can see it, just push it up. Same on this side. And with the two of them off, you have to do the two of them at the same time, or kind of shimmy it across. The pollen filter's in there. So there's actually this little sensor here, switches on and off the light, and this little guide goes back into there. So to get the filter out, press these two tabs down and just pulls that back. That just removes the old filter. Make sure the arrow's pointing down on the new one. Clean in there if there's any debris after falling down from leaves and stuff like that. Pop in your new filter. Arrow pointing down. Make sure this little door is clean as well. Clip it back together. Now this part might be a little bit tricky. One hand. Goes up on the gear cog there. And you can hear the click. And then just give it a slight push home. That's it, job done.